Sweetie. We got the got the pond. Found a dead frog in there actually, that's no good. But the majority of them seem to be okay, they just stay in the shade. Then we've got Jelly and Lulu. I'm just gonna go around you. You don't have to get up. You don't have to move. Just let me round you. And then, and then down here it's Flying Ant Day. I was going to say, I was thinking earlier there wasn't going to be a lot of them. That there's a lot of them all of a sudden. They really like hot weather. Some running around in there. I can't see any here.